Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened Euro GBP pair. Okay, just now I have gone with sellers, and here the scenario I will explain you. Previously there was a downtrend which was a selling strong momentum. Okay, just now the market is slightly moving in a zone which means sideways, which means a zone where it is trying to move in a sideways. Here main point is you should use margin of safety. Okay, I will show you. Here just now I have gone with buyers because previous was a doji candle and I thought maybe the sellers could enter because previously two candles which made a new low. So we have to see what will happen. In these kind of scenarios, rarely it will get, but this time I got you. So here margin of safety will be plays a major role. Let's see how it will really works. Okay. Here I have gone with sellers. Maybe here the scenarios will be 2 red, 1 green, 1 red, 1 green, these kind of things only. See here we got win because of our entry point. I will do one thing. Now I will go with buyers because already buyers area. So there is a zone. So we will go with buyers. What will happen? We have to see. Here main point is margin of safety because bodies are weak. Wicks are bigger than the bodies. So try to understand. According to this situation, you should trade. And one more thing, if really possible, try to avoid these kind of charts because I am showing you these kind of situations how to react. Because in a chart, when you are seeing maximum dojis, try to avoid. Obviously, previously there are two dojis and here you have one more dojis and the market is trying weak. So try to check the points. Okay. Here I have gone with buyers. We'll see what will happen. Here red green or 2 red 1 green, this only. See, finally it became red, but my entry point made me win. Okay. Now I will go with buyers because green red like that, red green pattern. So according to this area, so you can easily go with buyers. One, the area market has been entering is a buying area. Second thing, where every time the rejections are been happen. Third thing, red green pattern. So according to me, this is a scenario here. Okay. Now I have only one option to follow red green pattern. We'll see what will happen. Maybe today the trades will be too complicated because I am seeing the chart somewhat better. Maybe what is the next candle red, we'll see. Let it be. How it will be, we don't know. But we have to observe, react according to the market points. Okay, here we got a buying candle. So I have only one thing, red green pattern. So I will try to go with sellers. Because up to certain area, market will move sideways only. After breakout, maybe you could expect better. But as of now, you have to work on this sideways only because every time the market won't be good. Like we plot the levels. Every time market won't respect the levels which we have plotted. According to the area, according to the situation, the market will try to react. So in the favor of market only, we should take trades. Not our favor, market won't come like that. So try to understand these points whenever you are trading in the chart. See, here we thought sellers, but all of a sudden buyers have taken over the power. Okay, what is the next candle? Here I have a 50-50 chances. Left side there was a zone, major area where the zone has been formed. Here I can expect sellers, one thing, but the buying pressure is too strong. So my option is only one thing. With margin of safety, I will go with buyers. That's it. Because maybe after breakout reversal in these kind of situations means it will be a weak candle only, maximum. But without buying pressure, the market won't make weakness. So buyers already we are seeing they have strength. So we can win with the favor of rejections because previously if you notice maximum all weak candles only selling or buyers. But all of a sudden the buyers are showing their strength. So according to that reason only I am going with buyers because the strength where the buying has been started continuously. So maybe we'll see what will happen. See, I want to show you all kind of scenarios when the market how gonna react. So according to that situation, I am trying to react. So try to understand the points. So maybe you could avoid in the future. See, as I mentioned, breakout reversal happened, but again the market will continue. That's for sure, because maybe in the middle you may get one or two retracements, which are common, but the buying pressure is also strong. You should note this thing first of all. So whenever you are trading in the market, check the candle strength. Then obviously you can understand the next scenario, that the market after that, will it go up or it will reverse. So these kind of things will be happen. As of now, I don't need levels because there is no levels first of all to plot perfectly. So full left side there is a momentum. So market, maybe I could go to the next level. So up to that area we have to see what will happen. So by seeing itself, you can understand according to the situations I am reacting. And I have mentioned first itself, margin of safety only saving me sometimes. Okay. Left side there is no level. So I will do one thing. I will go with buyers. You can check left side there is no level, right? As of now, previous market has been rejected from this area. Okay. Retested, previous retest. So the market is trying to go to the next level. Okay, it's fine. There is left side no level, so that's why only I'm going with buyers. Okay, margin of safety. I forgot. Maximum in these kind of situations, try to take trades with margin of safety. We'll see what will happen. Every time, as I mentioned before, market won't react according to us. According to the scenarios, we should react. So I have seen left side there is no level, but the candle is making a red candle. See what is the thing here? We got hidden. See, finally we got win because of our entry point. I should remember that. Again, the market will continue. You may think the sellers have entered, so I could go with sellers. No, it's wrong. The market will go to the next level, but in between, as I mentioned before, red, green, or green, red, or two red, one green, one red, two green. So these kind of scenarios only will happen sometimes because there is no proper level. There is no proper area to plot the levels even. So that's why the market is trying to react this kinds. So sometimes you should take this kind of things also. We name it as a bad market, right? Yeah, these kind of scenarios only. Now the buyers suddenly boosted. Where it got power, I don't know. But suddenly the buyers have been increasing the candle size. What is the next candle? Now you can go with buyers continuously. Because comparing to the previous, now the buyers wants to take over. So easily try to go with buyers. Okay. What is the next candle? Should I go with buyers or sellers? Already I mentioned, try to go with buyers. Don't think much. I will do one thing. I don't have entry. Okay, I will do one thing in the favor of selling. The candle will be buying candle only, but in the favor of selling rejection, I could take trade for down, but the candle was green candle because already the candle was getting strong, but at last we got rejection. Anyways, there is even now also I'm saying left side there is no level at all. So easily I could follow the buying candle easily. So in the favor of selling, I have gone with buyers. Maybe I could win the trade in the form of rejection. That's why only I have taken the edge of the rejection of the previous candle entry. If we'll see what will happen. Okay, what is the next candle now? Okay, we got loss. It's okay because of our entry. Next, I will try to go with buyers again. Why? Because comparing to the previous candle, the present candle is too strong and there is still gap for the next level. So according to our scenarios, easily you can go with buyers. Maybe previously buying, selling came, but this time continuously two buyers you have got. And now left side, I don't have any level as of now. So I will try to go with buyers. Up to when? Up to the next level breakout. Okay. So try to understand this point. So whenever you are trading in the market, you should check the levels first of all. Otherwise, you can't even understand the market. So try to check the levels according to the scenarios. See, finally the buyers are entering. Okay. Anyways. Okay, finally we got win. Now what is the next candle? Can I continue with buyers again? Because let me, okay, entry point. This will be a buying candle. Entry, yes, okay, I got nice entry. This also I will go with buyers. Why? Even if you know one thing, the level is still there is a minor gap. And the candle is not at all a weak candle. It is a strong candle. So easily I could win this trade. So that's why only I have gone with buyers. By seeing itself, we can understand some trades. Some needed maximum explanation. So try to observe the market. Here, let me plot the next level. Here is my level. Maybe finally the market has entered into the selling zone. Maybe breakout reversal you can expect. But we are in a momentum too. And the level is also strong. So 50-50 chances. So anyways, I will try to expect a reversal here. We'll see what will happen. According to the situations only, I will react. The candle is so strong, but the selling also strong. Anyways, 50-50. With margin of safety, I will go with sellers. Yeah, with margin of safety only, I'm going with sellers. Even the candle shows a weakness also. Maybe it could be a weak buying candle. Sellers instantly means, yeah, it's fine for me also. Now, well, let me take one more entry. Okay, 1 second. Yes. Okay, I have gone for the maximum rejections because I got that point to take a rejection. So we'll see what will happen. Here, two kinds of scenario. One, the momentum will show weakness. Later it will reverse. Second thing, obviously, sellers will enter. So we have two opportunities. When you are confident, only take trades. Don't go for every candle because every candle won't be perfect. So try to understand. Some you may get entries, some you may get this call of things. Okay. Should I go with sellers or buyers now? What is the next candle? Should I go with sellers or buyers? Can you guess why I have gone with buyers? I have only one point in my mind. Actually, the buying candle should be weak. But here, the reality is different. The buyers are getting stronger. So that's why left side there is no level. So according to that situation, I am going with buyers. We'll see what will happen. I am following the momentum blindly. If it is wrong also, I should follow the momentum only. Because after breakout also, I didn't get any weakness. So I should follow the momentum. That's it. If now it is a red candle, it's okay. Because up to now, how many greens are came? So maybe you get a red candle. According to that reaction only, I will do. Okay. See, at last it made a selling candle. Okay. Now I will officially go with sellers confidently. Let me take nice entry point first of all. Yes, I got perfect one. Why? Here I have a valid answer. Previously, market didn't even weak after breakout. Later, the market didn't show any weakness. Still it was reverse, which means maybe left side there could be a strong level. Otherwise, without any reason, market won't make a reversal. Remember this point. So now you can go with a selling candle once again. Why? Because maybe there could be a strong level. You have to respect one or two retracement. I have mentioned this point so many times. So there is a level which is a strong one. So you can expect one more selling candle. So with margin of safety only, I am going with sellers. See, at last the sellers are entering. Now what is the next candle? You all know the market is moving in an uptrend, and now with margin of safety I will go with buyers because after strong momentum, too weak retracement, which indicates a buying candle, and one more thing, last selling candle which made a new high with the help of wick. So according to these kind of situations, you should respect those kind of points. According to the situation only, I have gone with buyers. I think this is my last trade. I think so far we have taken so many trades. So some are late entries, some are one or two wrong, except all win. Some are entry points differences. So every candle you can't predict. So perfect area, take trades. Then only you can understand the market easily. Maybe you could understand better these kind of points. We have 10 seconds. Okay. Finally, we got win. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.